Dealing with the loss of a loved one is incredibly difficult, and managing their affairs can add to the stress. If the deceased had a Tesco Mobile account, this video will guide you through the cancellation process. Tesco Mobile provides bereavement support to help during this time, aligning with UK regulations to ensure a smooth and compassionate experience. The key steps involve contacting Tesco Mobile, providing necessary documentation, and understanding how the account will be handled. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage the deceased's mobile account and avoid any unnecessary complications. To cancel the account, call Tesco Mobile at 0344 324 9222 or use their online chat. You'll need the deceased's account number, full name, date of birth, and date of death. Be prepared to submit a copy of the death certificate and proof of your authority to act on behalf of the estate, such as a grant of probate. Once verified, Tesco Mobile will suspend the account, cancel any contracts without penalties, and refund unused airtime. They also offer a memory package to retain the number for remembrance. Remember, Tesco Mobile aims to process requests quickly, typically within 3 to 5 days, and prioritizes compassionate service during this challenging time. Knowing your rights and the required steps ensures a respectful and efficient resolution.